Is metal fabrications a good career path? Metal fabrication is when people use materials like steel and aluminum to make machines and cars. This is a very common job in factories, which means that if you want to work in one of those places, this could be a great opportunity. So does metal fabrication make a good career? Yes, metal fabrication is an incredible career choice. If you get into metal fabricating, you will find this assuring that there will always be work available. Many other reasons getting into metal fabrication is an excellent choice: significant compensation, career advancement opportunities, and good job security. The manufacturing industry uses metal fabrication as one of its core technologies. Do you want to learn about how people use metal to make machines and cars? They use steel and aluminum, and other metals, to build stuff like cars and machines. If you want to work in an environment where there are lots of machines and cars, then this would be a great job for you. If you want to work in metal fabrication, your first step should be obtaining an associate's degree. In addition to giving you a solid foundation for working with metals and power tools, it will also give you more job options. Many employers require a 2-year degree for entry-level positions. What are the common work activities of a career in metal fabrication? Have a working knowledge of metal welding and metal fabrication. The highest paid 10% made more than $55,220 per year. By comparison, top earners in other careers can earn well over 6 figures. For example, the pay and job security is really important, as well as if you will get along with your co-workers. It's also really important where you'll be working, because some people don't like noisy places while others love them. The best way to start work in the metal fabrication industry is by learning about welding, machining, and CAD software. You need to be able to fabricate metal and other metal materials. Therefore, the only way to become a skilled worker in this industry is proficiency in metal fabrication and metallurgy. With a degree in engineering or another technical field, you will be in an excellent position to become a metal fabricator. High-paying jobs in metal fabrications. Engineers design and create things like bridges, buildings, toys, cars, computers, and other things. Sometimes they need to figure out how to fix something if it's broken or not working right. Welders are responsible for creating and repairing metal objects using welding techniques. They use various welding equipment and methods to join metal pieces together. Welders may also be responsible for fabricating new metal objects. They use a variety of machines and tools to create objects from raw materials. Machinists typically have a degree in engineering or another related field. FAQ on metal fabrications as a good career path. Steel is one metal that is used for fabrication, but there are many others to choose from as well. There are lots of different metals that people use for different things. What is the job of a fabricator? A fabricator is someone who makes things out of metal. They take pieces of metal and weld them together so they make one big thing. For example, they might take some steel, some aluminum, and some brass and weld them all together to make something new. A metal fabricator is someone who knows how to work with metals like steel and iron. They know how to make things that last long, like bridges and buildings. When we need to build something big like a bridge or a building, we use these people because they know how to weld things together in a strong way so they don't fall apart. Sometimes they use lasers and printers to make things too. All this is done by people who work really hard all day long.